What's going on, you guys? Welcome back. So today is Saturday, and today is the 5:30 racing event. I don't know, the flyer's right here, and I've decided to go race with the wagon. Now I know this car had issues going down Fontana's track with the whole boost cut or rolling coals deal. I'm just gonna send it. If it doesn't run right, I can always just park it, enjoy the rest of the day. A lot of the friends are going out, so that's definitely cool. I don't really have much planned today other than always trying to find something to do with the CRX, so I guess today would be a better choice to go to the track because it doesn't often come around. About to head out right now. I got my slicks, got my tools, helmet, everything's all loaded inside the back of the car, and I'm not going to record much of the trip because it's 3.5 hours. So right now I'm about to leave and shoot straight to Redding, California. So what's up, guys? We are out here at the track, and I actually got here like an hour or so ago. I just got teched. I took everything out of my car. My class is actually up right now. Got my slicks, but I don't have my tire pressure gauges. One thing I forgot. But I'm gonna have to warm this car up, get in line right now because this car doesn't function when it's cold. So let's get in the line and see what this car does. So hey, what bracket? He's 1150. We got 1250, and then we got my bracket racing car, and 3 cars, 3 issues. Now my car was given. It already had that whole sputtering 4,000, 5,000 RPM deal, and I still sent it. I went 15 flat, and I mean the car has a lot more in it. Third and fourth was ridiculous. First and second is what ate shit. So I'm in the left lane. 105. Dude, I trapped 105. 105, cut a 1.9, but 15 flat because of the whole sputtering ordeal. But Marco's car sent it a little too hard. He broke a brand new axle, and then this car, all motor 1250 car, went 12.9. Went 12.9. First time down the track with the new setup. Down the track. New setup, stock K, 100 octane, bolt-ons. That's it. And the issue we're having though is he doesn't have VSS, which he has the K-tune converter not hooked up, and then the RPM stopped working and the temp gauge stopped working, but still managed at 1290, so that's good. We got Miller Bill here doing some data logging real quick for for Tony here, and we're trying to square all these cars up. So Marco is he just left to go buy a new axle. He's gonna square his car up real quick, and I'm just gonna keep sending it. Some adjustments.
No, it's just I'm just smoothing out all of the map above what you're actually
and all of that was running. Yeah, that was all after my whole issue like area too.
Yeah, I'm just making it safer, so if you accidentally ran more boost,
that we have fuel to compensate for.
Yeah. And we're trying to reload the map onto the computer.
Yeah, because we don't have the map on my K-Pro for some reason. Stupid cable's been giving me issues. But we got Miller here, and his stuff are your backpacks right here.
Yeah.
And Marco got an axle. He just got back, so he's putting. Man, I forgot my light, dude. Oh, you know what? That's why we got the 4 bangers light right here, son.
Damn.
So, oh, see, he's got all his good ostrich stuff right there. Marco over here. Damn, got that new axle in there?
Yep.
Hell yeah. Right there.
Oh. This is what you need to, when you tune Chrome,
yeah.
It has the Ostrich 2.0 and the Hulog. See, Hunter Tune doesn't use this.
Oh, Miller Bill, what's up, man? Hey, can I get your autograph, bro?
Nah, man. Get out of here, man.
He ran out of autographs today.
You giving him some milk? I'm giving him some milk.
Milk Bill tuning.
No, we already got milk. He's giving it the chocolate portion of it.
As you can see right now, Dana's car isn't working because this guy broke it right here. See this guy right here? He broke the fucking car. He broke the fucking car. Look at this shit. Look at this shit, guys. He broke the fucking car.
He found my freaking camera. First of all, he's like, I did not. Dude, has that thing over his camera again. You gotta make sure it's over. Oh, okay, let me tell you though.
Hey, what is the reason for breaking the car, sir? Sir, what is the reason for breaking the car?
Let me explain myself. So when Dana met up with us, he said, somebody drive because I'm tired of shit. So I was like, okay, I'll drive. And then I told him, I was like, is it the same as, you know, as a regular car, first, second, third, whatever? He's like, yeah, everything's the same. I was like, okay. I went in first, left perfectly fine. Went in second, went perfectly fine. Third, right when we hit the freeway, he told me that 6th gear was right next to 4th. So I tried putting it in 6th gear, tried finding 6th, next to 4th, and it just redlined all the way crazy. Like it went back to 2nd gear or something.
All I was hearing was excuses for breaking the car.
Bullshit.
Dana, what do you have to say to Nene?
Yeah,
Just let it out. Just let it out.
First right-hand drive experience. He f***ed it up.
You hear that? First right-hand drive experience.
He didn't fuck it up because shit like that happens. It was just a cert clip. Boosted Boys had the same issue.
No, but see, when you're driving, it doesn't happen. When this guy's driving.
I even offered to drive my car.
Once you keep on shifting and shit, it's gonna fucking bend it.
We found out
I'm
the
just saying,
problem.
it's gonna.
Don't worry, guys. So I guess they found the problem, but don't worry. This guy won't be driving the car
It's gonna
anymore.
bend.
We're gonna have the owner drive it. So yeah, all right. Bye. He's a parachute now.